Hi everybody. Ooh, that fan is annoying. Welcome to Homegrown Homestead. I'm Liz. I didn't make a video about this, and we've been doing this a good month. Russ and I have started juicing. So let me show you what I cut up already. Let me put you down. Let me tilt you down. So I already started cutting up pineapple. And now let me get some oranges. These are just whatever is on sale. So these are clementines. So I just use whatever's on sale. Right? Especially, and they don't have to be perfect because you're juicing them. I'm gonna give us each two. So I split these up because then I make him one. And then I make myself one. I can't really say I've lost any weight. I probably gained it. I don't know. Anyway, I just feel better. It makes me feel much better. I'm not so tired during the day. Today I didn't have one. Doing my stuff, my work online was like torture today. And I'm making this at night because I actually drink it the next day. I don't have to putz with it. And then if Russ doesn't drink his tomorrow, I'll drink his the following day. So I don't mind making double because if he doesn't drink it, I will. See how these don't really look perfect? But since I'm just taking the juice out, it doesn't matter. So this is a good way also then to use up, I don't want to say old fruit, but fruit that is older. Alright, so now I got 2 oranges for each of us. And lately I've just started putting in limes. You might think that's gross, but it's actually, you don't even know. I'm only going to do half a lime for each of us. Cut that in half. This will cut. And as you can tell, the lime's getting old, so it's alright. Want to grab some apples, Russ? Oh boy.
Maybe a couple of each.
Well, do we have the other ones eaten up? Alright, so I pulled the rinds off. We didn't get a top of the line juicer. So I'll show you what we got when I get there. So it's not the strongest juicer. That's why I take a lot of the rinds out. And then I cut the outside of the pineapple off to help save it too, the motor. Alright. We gotta wash. I got carrots here too, but we gotta wash them.
How much celery would you want?
2 stalks each, I guess, of celery.
How much?
2. And this is another reason why I wish we had our animals again, because they can get all the cutting of the compost part. Okay, so that part of the cucumbers are going to ache. That I will get rid of. So I've got half a pineapple each, 1.5 carrots, 2 stalks of celery, 2 little oranges or 1 big orange, an apple, half a cucumber, and then we're going to do broccoli. I got my broccoli. I don't think I have any room left, so let me go do that on a different cutting board. 1 head of broccoli each, and the only reason we got heads of broccoli is because they were really ridiculously priced. I don't think there's anything else right at the moment. Okay, let me show you our juicer. Let me turn off our ice machine, it's kind of loud. Okay, so that's our, let me zoom out. Our juicer right there. I like it because it's very simple to clean. This obviously, but this comes off, the grinder inside comes off, And I just hand wash it because it gets all goopy. But it's great. All right. Ooh, I got flash on. I don't think we need that.
Taste a lot of broccoli.
Is it bad?
No. It's good.
Okay, so I'm pouring mine in here. Ooh, got full. Because I mix, Russ doesn't like it. I mix moringa, kale, and wheatgrass powder in here. I've also found that if I drink this tomorrow and I add this powder, it doesn't taste powdery the next day. If I would drink this right away, it would taste powdery. So I put 2 in because that's a lot. Sometimes we put ginger in here. Sometimes, what else have we done? Ginger. We want to do beets. I'm trying to think what else we've tried. I can't think. All right, I'll still taste test this for you. Okay, I'm gonna mix it. Tastes fine. I don't know, you know what I mean? Because other flavors overpower the pineapple, so it's not as sweet as some we've done in the past. It's really good.
And I like the pineapple.
You do like pineapple? I know, we are out of pineapple now. We can start using the stuff I can, but I would try and keep an eye out for pineapple sales. All right, so I'm gonna save this for tomorrow. This will be my breakfast. All right, let me show you how this comes apart. So this, of course, we wash. And then these flip up. Now this is the sad part. If I had a better quality juicer, this would probably all be gone. And then if we had our pigs again, I could feed this all to the pigs. It's sad. Now, the only reason we're throwing this out, here Maggie, try it, is because we plan on moving in the spring. So I don't really want to compost. If I was doing a garden, most definitely I'd be composting. Now, I haven't ever tried it yet, putting this back through a second time. I haven't done that. I guess that could be a good idea. Also, you gotta remember to take your garbage out often because this stuff starts to sink. Oh, Maggie likes that stuff that fell on the ground. And then this pops off. It does. See? Oops, some juice even came out. And I soak that. And then this comes off. You can put all this in the dishwasher too. I just find it's not that difficult to wash by hand. And then here's your waste. Technically all your waste. And then I just scoop it out with my hand. You probably could, if it was just veggies, you might be able to make stock. Just boil it down and strain it. See, you always find a way to use stuff. That's it. Other than a little spillage, then we just wipe that off. Right? That's how we juice. Thank you for joining us. Hope you learned something. And this is Hamilton Beach, so it is a nice, easy cleanup. So now I just wipe this down, and we're good to go. Thank you for watching. Bye.